Why have a citizens' assembly? Isn't that what Parliament is? Or is Parliament more about power rather than democracy? Reports get hidden, deals get made, favours get done. How about this instead? You get maybe 100 to 150 people together, picked almost at random, like jury service, but as close as possible to the social distribution of the UK as a whole. So there's lots of different people: plumbers, teachers, farmers, nurses, office workers, 50% women, some young people, some old, a cross-section of ethnic backgrounds and gender diversities. The wealthiest 1% only get 1% representation. They are made aware of critical thinking to complement their natural common sense. They have opportunity to shape the process and the agenda. They talk to experts, they talk and listen to each other. When they finish, they decide what the best way forward is and instruct the government to act. It's about fairness, decisions made to benefit everyone, not just the powerful. The good news is that citizens' assemblies are ready to roll out now. They have been used in the past many times, but largely only consultatively. They need to be taken seriously and given more power so that our government and politicians have to listen. It's time to give people a real voice in our political system through citizens' assemblies. Government involving the people directly.